These Lekki girls do with all those Lamborghini. That Lamborghini where this girl buy, they only use it to increase their base as a prostitute. As she has bought a Lamborghini, now her price done high. A lot of prostitutes are saying that Burna Boy was supposed to keep to his bargain because he promised Sophia a Lamborghini. Now, shower go fit sound like that. If this girl had said, oh, Burna Boy, I want to start a business. Burna Boy said, oh, yeah, come, let me sleep with you. I will give you money to start a business. And Burna Boy did not give the girl money for business. I will drag Burna Boy. The girl came and said, oh, Burna Boy, there's a project I'm doing. Burna Boy said, okay, come. If I sleep with you, I'll give you money for the project. And Burna Boy did not do it. I will drag Burna Boy. One girl came with her left tutu and said Burna Boy should buy her a Lamborghini worth over 600 and something million. As what? Is that a need? It's not a need. They barely drive those cars. Let me tell you what all these Lekki girls do with all those Lamborghini. That Lamborghini where this girl buy, they only use it to increase their base as a prostitute. As she has bought a Lamborghini, now her price done high. Let's assume she's collecting $5,000 to fuck. As she buys Lamborghini now, any Yahoo boy will want to knock her, go say, oh, they get Lambo, they go increase as maybe $8,000 or $10,000. That is what the Lamborghini is for. Give that girl now 3-4 months, she go sell the Lamborghini. She wants it to go viral so that all her customers will know that she's using Lamborghini. Anytime you want to patronize her or you want to control her, hey, that girl Sophia, the girl that girl will buy Lamborghini. The Yahoo boy go say, Jesus, Jesus. That is what it's for. I'm saying this so that you don't get carried away by nonsense. I don't talk and before they burn you when you say you don't knock blessing. See, you come outside, come talk. That is respect for a woman. Burna Boy never solved problem. If you're going to buy one girl Lamborghini as waiting. Some people are saying, she wasn't a prostitute, he chased her. A man's job is to chase and to knock you. Get some men we don't chase you for 1 year, they still fuck you for free. Ama that is dating money, they buy a Lamborghini. You, because Ama is you are not dating Burna Boy. And suddenly you come and your price is Lamborghini. If you even begin to check if Burna Boy talk now, you say the girl no sweet. But see that girl sweet. Burna Boy for not run her street. If I even give her small thing, even if I'm $30,000 or $40,000, she not sweet. All these girls they don't knock. They are quick to they come out water. Get away sweet. Guy go won't come back. Burna Boy don't use that sing song. As I know about you love, why you they shots between you and Burna Boy lose. He fuck you for free. Still get inspiration. Still sing song. We go still take with money. Somebody said Burna Boy is acting childish. Burna Boy did not come out to discuss her with anybody. Now she go gist. How is Burna Boy childish? The Burna Boy come on social media and say, oh, I fucked Sophia and I did not give her Lambo. Don't be Sophia go gist with her friend. We can't leak the voice notes. How is Burna Boy childish? The Burna Boy kiss and tell? I swear if I be celebrity, I no go give you guess.
Blessing CEO really take this matter too serious. So my people waiting on that thing. You know they say wonders they say shall never end. A lot of people they bash Blessing CEO say she took the matter too seriously. Abi she they ate on the girl. Say she know the girl before. Waiting we go call this one. For me, I think she's making sense. Waiting I know. My own na to chook my mouth for waiting no concern me. So as an army boy get inner eyes, I can tell you that Blessing CEO is making sense.